Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. This week, I wrote so many Dollar General cleaning supply deals, I had to split it into two separate deal videos, partly because it is one of my favorite types of couponing deals to do. So here are 10 more Dollar General cleaning supply couponing deals that you can do this Saturday, September 23rd, to stock up for super cheap. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post two Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for today's question, I really want you to leave a comment down below because I'm really interested in your feedback with this. I want to know, have you gotten a new copy of the $10 off 40 coupon, whether it be digital or a paper copy that was on the bottom of your receipt? I've seen several people reach out to me with screenshots of the ad saying that there was going to be a 10 off of 40 coupon. No one I know has gotten a copy of it, and I recently learned that it is most likely a regional thing, meaning not everyone is going to get this coupon. I am definitely not a fan of this, so I would love to hear if any of you have gotten this coupon yet. Now, make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members, too, that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could all use extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them, too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon, and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format, and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. So let's get started with these deals. Now, straight out of the gate, we're going to work on a couponing deal with some high value coupons that I am personally a huge fan of. And if you also like these products, please let this be your sign. Don't let these coupons expire. If you can find them in your store, take advantage of these coupons and stock up for cheap while we can get these deals. So for this deal, grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays, and 1 medium gain fireworks. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.02 plus tax for a 61% off savings. Now, this deal is also a very easy beginner-friendly couponing deal because it only has 3 items to it, so it's super easy to remember by the time you get to the store. I love deals like this. Now, over the last couple weeks, I've been trying to put an extra focus when I rate my couponing deals, especially with the cleaning supply deals, to work in items that we never get coupons for. And this week, I was working on deep cleaning my house, and I am completely out of my Comet powdered cleaner. So I'm like, let's see what happens when I work it into a couponing deal. So grab 3 of those 21-ounce size bottles of Comet cleaners, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, and 1 Febreze Fabric Refresher. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.66 plus tax for a 55% off savings. So you know what I'm saying? This is an awesome deal when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the Comet cleaners. Now, I personally wrote this next coupon deal specifically for me. I hope a lot of you enjoy it. My husband is a huge fan of Dawn dish soap, especially because he works a lot in the garage and he uses the Dawn dish soap a lot of the times to wash his hands. It gets a lot of the grease from the car stuff off his hands, and we almost never have it because we never get coupons for it. So I'm like, let's see what happens when I work it into that deal this week. So grab 1 small bag of Tide Pods, 1 of those big big bottles of Dawn dish soap that are $8.50, 2 Dawn Power Wash refills, and 1 small bag of Gain Flings. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $15.01 plus tax for a 45% off savings. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan and big believer in speaking good coupons into existence. So I'd like to take this opportunity to put out to the couponing universe, we would really appreciate some coupons for the Dawn dish soap. I mean, we loved the Dawn Power Wash, obviously, but we need to stock up on the big bottles of actual Dawn dish soap. So here's the hope when we get some good sales or good coupons for it coming up. Another item that I thought would be interesting to work into a coupon deal, I try to do this a lot from time to time, is the Kaboom foam cleaner. I recently became a fan of this in my shower because I was having a little bit issue cleaning the walls of my shower, and I got a can of this Kaboom cleaner. I'm like, I wonder how this is going to work out, and it really did make my life a lot easier. So I worked it into this deal. So grab 2 of the Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 bottle of the Kaboom foam cleaner. You can also, I believe, substitute this for the Kaboom spray cleaner in the spray squeeze bottle. I believe they're the same price. It doesn't matter since we don't have a coupon for it. And then grab 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.40 plus tax for a 56% off savings. For this next deal, grab 1 of the big bottles of Downy fabric softener, a small bottle of Downy rinse and refresh, and 2 Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.91 plus tax for an easy 52% off savings. Now, with cold and flu cootie season right around the corner, I've been trying to really work in some disinfectants and disinfecting wipes into my couponing deals. In case you're like me and you are trying to stock up on them now, because nothing is worse than when it's finally hit your house and you don't have coupons for it and you have to pay full price. We don't do that here at LoveLiveSave. We don't pay full price for stuff. So for this next deal, grab 1 bottle of the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, 2 of the 35 count tubs of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, 1 medium gain fireworks, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.45 plus tax for a 52% off savings. Now, these Lysol disinfecting wipes coupons is another great example of I would like some better coupons for these. I mean, I appreciate any coupon, as I'm sure you guys are too, but 50 cents, really? I mean, of course we rocked it anyways, but I would love, like, let's say like a 2 off a 2. That'd be great. I would really love that. For our next couponing deal, let's stock up on some air fresheners for super cheap. Grab 1 of the Airwick Essential Mist starter kits, 1 of the 5 count packs of the Airwick plug-in refills, and 1 Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $8 even plus tax for a fabulous, and you know I'm going to do it, I'm getting a lot better at that, 72% off savings. What an amazing time to stock up on these products and get these cheap out of pockets. Moving on, for our next deal, we're going to stock up on PineSol Cleaner because I love PineSol Cleaner. Grab 1 of the $4 size bottles of PineSol Cleaner, 1 of the 200 count boxes of Gain dryer sheets, a 5 count pack of those Airwick plug-in refills, and an Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.50 plus tax for a 62% off savings. Now, one cleaning supply that I am definitely trying to focus on working more into my stockpile for my family is definitely the borax detergent booster. This stuff is a game changer if you've never used it before. Usually every couple months, I try to fill up my bathtub with warm water, my towels, and some of this borax detergent booster, and I let it soak for a little while, and it gets all that buildup and the nasty gunk out of my towels. So I really want to stock up on this because I've actually been out of it for a while. So grab 2 boxes of the borax detergent booster, 2 Mr. Clean cleaners, 1 Nivea lotion, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.70 plus tax for a 49% off savings, which is amazing when you consider $12 of this out of pocket is just that borax detergent booster alone, and we didn't even have a coupon for it. And speaking of cold and flu cootie season, another item that I am working to build up in my stockpile is definitely these gallon-sized bottles of Odoban disinfectants. This stuff is a rock star. I use the purple bottle, which I believe is like a lavender scent, and it smells so good. Every time cold and flu cooties come through my house, when it is all done, I use this stuff and I mop my floors. I mean, I use it on my counters. It's just awesome, awesome stuff. So for this deal, grab one of those gallon-sized bottles of Odoban, one tub of the Swiffer heavy-duty wet refills, one Febreze fabric refresher, and 2 of the Airwick oil warmers. Yeah, 2 of them. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.90 plus tax for an awesome 52% off savings. Now, in case you're looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have the information in both places for you for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list from week to week because I often write so many more couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this deals list will have anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. And I am super proud to tell you that not only did I break my personal record for the most amount of couponing deals that I've ever written for one individual week, I smashed that goal for you guys this week because, like I said, helping you to save as much money as I possibly can means a lot to me. And this week's deals list has 170 couponing deals. Yeah, you heard that right, 170. I'm super proud of this week's deals list. I had so much fun with it. Now, this is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you either download it to your smartphone, you can download it to a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want because I keep all the categories of deals separated. And these all include major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking gain deals because, of course, it's Dollar General. We love our gain deals, right? We have toilet paper, paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care. We even have diaper deals, Tide deals, and a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. And for the first time ever, I even included a disinfectants couponing deals list because, you know, cold and flu season is coming and we got to be prepared. We don't want to get stuck having to pay full price for it, right? Because we don't pay full price here at LoveLiveSave. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. Again, I'll have it down below in the comments and the video description for you. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.